Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Labists Portable Monitor. It's a DQ20 13-inch. Please subscribe and please share, and do check out the description below as there may be something down there that may interest you. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. This Labists Portable Monitor, it's a 1920 by 1080p. It's full high definition. It's dual USB Type-C. It's got a HDMI input. It's for gaming, laptops, Raspberry, computer and phone. Now, straight from the outset is the box quality. It looks like something from Apple. Now, interesting enough, I always reckon if you can wrap S well, you'll sell it. So let's hope that this isn't S inside. It is Chinese. I'm not expecting a lot. Now, these portable monitors are knocking about on Amazon at the moment from anything from 150 to £200. Now, I managed to get this for £119 out of my own money. I'm not sponsored. You will get the real review. Well, we'll get straight on with the unboxing now. Right, the first thing we notice, it comes with this plastic film on it. So we'll get that off first. Just love the quality of the box. It really looks like something from Apple. Carefully open it. Ta-da! Oh, we got a nice posh piece of paper on the top. This is like a plastic film, but it's not. It's very good quality. It is very Apple-like. First thing I notice, we've got a plug here. This is your PowerPoint. Right, we'll take that out first. What I like about this is the way it's been packed. This is really good quality packaging. That usually tells you something about the product, innit? Again, more packaging. What we got in here, the user manual. I very rarely use them, I just guess. I usually do a guess run. What we got in here, this is, I would have anticipated it is the HDMI. Oh, let's just tear it open. I'm going to be using it anyway. Yeah, this is your HDMI connector. What else we got in here? Nothing in there. Straight away. Yeah, this is your USB Type-C connector. Is it both ends? Yep, both ends. And again, another USB connector with a Type-C on the end. This is obviously a PowerPoint. And what on earth is this? It's definitely a good piece of plastic. It is actually, looking at it, it's the stand to a, so you put your laptop on, well, you put your monitor on it and you can have it in different positions. Right, swiftly moving on. The main thing. This is the main job we've come to see. I'm really looking forward to seeing what type of quality this is. Now, straight away, I just love the packaging. I love the colour. This is your cover. Oh, and straight away, I'm just looking at it thinking that looks really good quality plastic. It is actually nice. I quite like the look of that. And straight away, you can see your points on the side. On the side here, you've got the HDMI input. Next to it, you've got your USB-C. Now that's your power point. Next to that, you've got, again, a USB-C, but that is just spare. And also you've got your headphones. Now on this side, you've got your standard USB. Then you've got 3 little switches here. The middle one is the on-off. And then the other one is basically functions. What's great about this cover, it protects everything, and also it actually ends up being a stand as well. So that's pretty cool. Then you can take that off, and also you've got this other stand. This is your plastic type, fully adjustable. You can put it wherever you like. Again, you put your monitor on. Very simple, very effective. Right. Now for powering this baby up, you can use your normal plug and power it with the USB-C. But for me, I'd use a power bank. This is a cheap one. Well, it's saying that was 40 quid, but I had it reduced down to £16 off Amazon. There you go. I'm not paid by this company or anything, but oops. And that's it. And all we do is plug it in. And as you notice, the screen comes straight on, but then it'll go straight back off again because there's nothing in it. So we have to attach something. Well, first, I'm going to go through what it doesn't like. This is a straightforward standard mobile phone. It doesn't like these. It will not work with this. So we'll put that in. As you can see from the screen, there's nothing on it. It's live, but there's nothing on it. So just in case, we'll press the on switch on the side. Hold it down. And you're watching this as I'm doing it, by the way. So there's not kidding around, this is it. Oh, there we go. Now, we've seen anything from the mobile phone on there? No, nothing at all, not a sausage. But don't worry about that. So that's one item that doesn't work. Now, let's have my Canon M50. We'll plug this into the HDMI. Let's pull that one out. Now, with a bit of luck, let's put the stand up for you so you can actually see this. Because when you watch these YouTubers on there that get given their goodies, everything works perfectly for them because they're being paid by them. I'm not being paid by anybody. So you're only going to get the truth from me. There's the screen and there's my Canon M50. We'll turn on my M50. Straight away it comes on. Now this monitor works with the M50 by Canon, but it doesn't work with the XA50. It doesn't like this baby at all. For some reason, though it's got the full HDMI input, it won't work with this one. For some reason, I've tried it straight HDMI cable in and out into the Labists. It doesn't work. So if you're thinking about getting something for Canon, there obviously is something that needs to be done. I don't know what, but you know. Moving on swiftly. Now I have tried it with a laptop and it does work. So a computer, it's very compatible with a computer of most descriptions. I dare to say this is very compatible with other products. And now we'll try out the laptop connection. And now we'll connect the laptop to the Labists. Very straightforward connection. And straight away we're on. Right, now what we'll do is we'll listen to what the sounds like. We'll turn the sound up. You want 6 sausages, get the thin type ones, they're the best. Also you want some streaky smoked bacon, some cranberry, now this is just for Christmas, and also some beaten up egg. This is just 1 egg with a bit of milk. And also your main ingredient is puff pastry. This is 3mm thick and it's 13cm square. Or in old money. So the sound doesn't sound too bad. It's what I'd expect from a portable monitor. Egg on. And you can see all the adjustments are on the side. And all we're going to do is roll it around the sausage. That's like full brightness. Down. Up. And the display on the side, so you can do whatever you like really. You can play with it to your heart's content. And that's my test. Well, there you go guys. I hope you enjoyed this overview and an in-look into the unboxing of the Labists Portable Monitor. Once again, it's available on Amazon. I'm not supporting Amazon in any respect. They're not paying me a penny. Or Labists. I paid my own money for this item and I'm telling you exactly what it's like. Now, I dare to say, currently this is marketing on Amazon, full price is around about 150 quid. It's been reduced down in the sale to £138. I got this from Amazon for £119. So it was a great deal. Would I buy this again? Probably not. And the only reason is because it won't work with my XA50, which is the whole point of it. It does work with the Canon M50, which you've seen, which excellent job. I mean, that's fine. Now bear this in mind, if you're going to buy a screen like this for a camera, just the reasonable ones around about 200 to 300 notes. And if you want a recordable monitor, it's going to set you back £300 to £600. Or it can go up even further if you're professional. For me, I'm going to stick down to the lower grade. You know, until I get sheds and sheds more of subscribers and I've got lots and lots more videos going out, then I might well go there. But for now, I'm going to stick to the small school. I hope you enjoyed this overview. Next one will be the review of when I smash it up. because I'm sure it's going to end up in pieces. It is good quality plastic with an aluminium back. Well, guys, I hope to see you again shortly. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you shortly. Laters!